Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI onboarding compliance agent in n8n. This workflow is built for HR and operations teams that need to verify onboarding documents without manually checking every PDF, policy, tax form, or NDA. By the end of this part, you'll have an automation that detects a new hire, checks the required documents, extracts text from each file, uses AI to verify compliance, and routes the employee as either completed or pending. In this part, we'll focus only on the main onboarding verification flow. The reminder and follow-up flow will come in the next part. Step 1. New hire added. The workflow starts when a new hire is added. This trigger kicks off the onboarding compliance check for that employee. The system immediately registers the employee in the onboarding pipeline. Step 2. Normalize new hire data. Next, this node cleans and structures the new hire data. It prepares the employee details and document links for the rest of the workflow. This ensures all downstream nodes receive consistent and usable input. Step 3. Get compliance checklist. This node pulls the compliance checklist. It tells the workflow which documents are required for the new hire. The checklist is dynamically selected based on role and region. Step 4. Match required docs. This code node matches the submitted documents against the required checklist. Now the workflow knows which files need to be verified. It also flags any missing documents at this stage. Step 5. Download ID proof. The first document branch starts by downloading the ID proof file. Step 6. Extract text ID proof. This node extracts text from the ID proof PDF. Step 7. AI classify ID proof. The AI checks whether the uploaded ID proof looks valid and relevant. Step 8. Parse ID proof result. This node parses the AI result into a clean structured output. Step 9. Download tax form. The second branch downloads the employee's tax form. Step 10. Extract text tax form. This node extracts the text from the tax form. Step 11. AI classify tax form. The AI reviews whether the tax form is present and usable. Step 12. Parse tax form result. This node turns the AI response into a structured result. Step 13. Download signed policy. The third branch downloads the signed company policy document. Step 14. Extract text signed policy. This node extracts the policy text from the document. Step 15. AI classifies signed policy. The AI checks whether the policy document appears signed and valid. Step 16. Parse signed policy result. This node parses the signed policy result for the final compliance check. Step 17. Download NDA. The fourth branch downloads the NDA document. Step 18. Extract text NDA. This node extracts the NDA text. Step 19. AI classify NDA. The AI verifies whether the NDA is submitted and acceptable. Step 20. Parse NDA result. This node parses the NDA verification result. Step 21. Merge document results. After all 4 document checks are done, this node merges the results. Now the workflow has one combined document verification output. Step 22. Aggregate all document results. This code node organizes all document results into one clean summary. It prepares the data for the final AI compliance reasoning step. Step 23. AI compliance reasoning. This AI node reviews the full onboarding document package. It checks whether the employee is compliant, missing documents, or needs HR follow-up. Step 24. Parse compliance report. This code node parses the AI compliance report. It extracts the final status and any missing or pending document details. Step 25. Open route. This if node decides what happens next. If the onboarding is incomplete, HR gets alerted. If everything is complete, the employee gets a confirmation. Step 26. Telegram. Send HR alert if documents are missing or pending. This Telegram node sends an alert to HR. It tells HR which employee needs follow-up. Step 27. Google Sheets. Mark pending. This Google Sheets node marks the employee as pending in the tracker, so the onboarding status stays updated. Step 28. Telegram. Send confirmation. If everything is complete, this Telegram node sends a confirmation message. It confirms that the employee's onboarding documents are verified. Step 29. Google Sheets. Mark completed. This Google Sheets node updates the tracker. It marks the onboarding compliance status as completed. That's the first flow of the AI Onboarding Compliance Agent. It detects a new hire, checks the required documents, downloads each file, extracts text, uses AI to verify every document, merges the results, and routes the employee as either completed or pending. For HR teams, this removes the manual document checking work and gives them a cleaner way to handle onboarding compliance. In the next part, we'll build the reminder flow where pending cases are checked automatically and follow-ups are sent when documents are still missing. If you want to keep building AI systems like this one, come join the free school community, links below. I share free n8n automations, step-by-step setup guides, and the actual JSON file for every workflow I post a video on, including this. See you in the next one.